The American-made Legend APC Open Baghouse Dust Collector is designed specifically for indoor use for woodworking and dry dust applications. The Open Baghouse comes in 3 sizes ranging from 2,000 to 5,000 CFM. The integrated Cincinnati fan delivers plenty of suction power to pick up dust, keeping machinery and work areas clean. The polyester bean-style filter bags, which are woven for long life, capture the fine particles, clearing the air for workers. Finally, a maintenance-free mechanical shaker cleans the bags quickly and completely, so they'll be ready to go again for the next shift. Legend APC keeps most Open Baghouse units in stock and ready for immediate delivery. What's more, installation is a snap. When the collector arrives, simply take it off the pallet and bolt it to the floor. Attach the ductwork from your dust system to the fan inlet. Raise the top section to extend the filter bags and bolt the legs into place. Wire the 480 or 240-volt 3-phase motor. Then enjoy years of trouble-free dust collection. Upgrade your workspace with Legend APC Open Baghouse Dust Collector, the ultimate solution for clean, efficient dust collection. In stock and available for fast delivery. Contact us today and experience the difference yourself.